Hello dancers, welcome to 204 Rock This Town by the Stray Cats. This is a little bit of jitterbug number and a super high cardio one. Let's get started. Right away, we have this little step snap. We're just gonna work this as the intro music comes on, and then we're gonna get right into verse 1. Right leg 2 times. It comes plie low, double right with the right hand, switch, double left, and then 4 kicks. Kick and kick and kick and kick. And the hands are just gonna be hopping and opposition, okay? So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now, as the music is going, the energy is gonna come out, and you got a little hop here as well. It can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 2 more times. Double right, double left, 4 kicks, kick, kick and kick. Double right, double left, kick, 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 kick. Let's see that facing the front. Intro. Double right, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bit faster. Dun, 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 dun. Pa, 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 pa. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Great, right after those 4 kicks comes a little bridge. And we're gonna see this throughout the entire number. It's a little way for us to catch our breath. What we're gonna do is little box steps. We're gonna step forward right, right, cross left, back right, open left again. Right, cross left, back, 3rd time, last one, cross, ta, ta. Now the arms are just gonna be swinging and or snapping as you're going around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 3 of those. Let's do those 4 kicks right into those 3 box squares. We just did. Last one, 4, and kick, step it, right, go, right, cross left, 2 more times, right, cross left, 1 more time, right, cross left, ta, ta, and go. Great, time for the chorus. We're gonna rock this town, rock it inside out, dun 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 dun. That's the speed. We're gonna do it nice and slow first. We're gonna grab the wrist. You can either grab right or left or right, and we're gonna pull over to the right hand side with the hip. So we're gonna pop, switch, pop. And we're gonna do 4 fast. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna do a little boomerang. We're gonna go heel, 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 and heel. There is a little bit of jump on that. Jump and out and out and out. Kind of a 90s move as well. So we grab and we go hit, 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 hit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's see that first part slow and a little faster facing the front. We go. We're gonna rock this town, rock it inside out. Dun 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 dun. A little faster. We're gonna rock this town, rock it inside out. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Rock this town, make them scream and shout. Then we have a step kick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna step the right foot forward, kick the left, switch back 1 more time, step right, kick left, switch back. And we go 1 more time into the hip, 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 out, 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 out. We show that nice and slow, facing the front. 2 times through, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rock this town, make them scream and shout. Here comes those kicks. Rock, rock, rock till you drop. I'm gonna rock till you drop. I'm gonna rock till you drop. Rock this town, rock it inside out. Now up to tempo. Here we go. Catch your breath. Here we go. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Here comes those kicks. Rock, rock, rock till you drop. Bum, ba, da, ba, da, ba, dum, ba, ba, ba. One more time. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, time for our instrumental. But this doesn't mean we get a breather. This one's super high cardio as well. We run to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to end your legs spread apart. And we have little right, left, and then we clap. In, out, out. Run back over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, legs apart. This time, left, right, clap. In, out. Then we have a turn, optional turn, but there's a turn in choreography. Turn, remember, land, legs apart. Again, same thing, right, left, in, out. One more turn, and left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, in, out. To go into our breather box step. Remember, 2, and 1. To rock this down. Let's do that face to the front. I'm gonna do it nice and slow for the walking and then a little bit faster with the turn so you can see that to tempo. So we run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Left, right, in. A little faster. It goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. And breathe and slow. Again, slow and slow. Last one, slow and slow. And we go. Chorus. Bum, 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 bum. Kick. Bum, 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 bum. Kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. This is the verse. Again, 4, 3, 2. Now the chorus. Rock this town, rock it inside out. Again, rock this town, make them scream and shout out. We step, kick, step, back, step, kick, step, back. Rock this town, rock it inside out. We have 2 more of these to finish. 4, 3, 2, 1, out. Last one. Hoo-wee. Out. And then we get to play the guitar at the end. Whew. That's all the choreography of Rock This Town by Stray Cats. Let's dance it.